Hi, I'm Dr. Katie McCullough, and I work at Magnolia Animal Dentistry. So we're kind of unique in that we're a dental-only practice staffed with general practitioners who are just really, really passionate about dentistry. I still love the patients. I'm very passionate about how wonderful animals are, and I love the human-animal bond and seeing how important these little dogs and cats are to their owners' lives. And I love that I can help make them comfortable. We have so many patients that come here that are in a lot of pain and no one realizes that they're in a lot of pain. And I can do surgery and I can improve their quality of life by removing, abscessed teeth, things that are really hurting them, and get them comfortable, and then send them back to their owners. And then their owners can call a couple of weeks later and say, oh my gosh, she's feeling so much better. She's acting so much younger. And I know that every day I can come into work and actually do measurable, real good things for patients, which is kind of magical. So the thing I love the most about my job, honestly, is probably the cute dogs. It's why most of us are in veterinary medicine. We have some really adorable tiny patients, and I love that we can help them be more comfortable and improve their quality of life. But honestly, being a medical director has been really fulfilling because I've really gotten to see the staff from a different perspective. And I've gotten very attached to our support staff, and I love working on building a good clinic culture and having really good relationships with all the support staff. So that's really the thing that gets me out of bed in the morning. As a leader, I love teaching somebody something new and then watching them develop that skill and get better and better at it. We had this past year, she just hit her 1-year anniversary, but we hired a new veterinarian. And we mentor really, really strongly here. So I spent probably 6 months just watching her every move. She was shadowing me, I was shadowing her. We were working together on cases and teaching her how to do extractions. And by the time she hit her 1-year anniversary, she was faster than I was. And it was just the best feeling to see this person that started out kind of insecure just be completely confident and really happy in her role and able to do things that just as well, if not better than me. So I love the training. It's really fulfilling. Companion's been very supportive of me. I wasn't a medical director when they bought our clinic. We had another person, and I reached out to them. Our current medical director quit, and I reached out to them and said, hey, I think this is a role. I don't know anything about it, but it sounds like something that I'd be really interested in doing. And they were completely on board with taking me on with I had a lot of veterinary medical experience, but I had no management experience. And they cheerfully took me on board, taught me the things I needed to know, offered me support when I needed to. I'm doing a leadership training seminar with them right now that's every other week, and it's very intensive training in leadership, so they've been incredibly supportive with that. When I showed interest in being on the medical advisory board and seeing how all that works, they let me on there and taught me how they do things. So overall, it's just been a very positive experience. I like that the newsletter title is Companion Cares, because I think the thing historically that's always kind of resonated with me is the feeling that the upper level management at Companion genuinely cares about how their employees are doing. They genuinely care about the health and well-being of the clinics, and it's not just financial for them. There are a lot of people within CPB that genuinely care about people being happy and people being well supported, rather than just looking at us as a source of revenue.